Hello, this is Jaydon from Stonegate Maintenance again. I'm here to show you today how to install a new dryer outlet. Okay, one of the first things you want to do is make sure your circuit breaker is turned off. Your next step will be remove the outlet from the wall and then remove the power wires that is from behind. Once you have removed the outlet from the wires, you will match up the wires to the back of this as they're labeled: white, green, red, and black. White being the neutral, green being the copper wire, red being the power, and the ground. Once you have attached the wires, it should look like something like this. Next step, you will secure the outlet to the bracket. So once you have secured the outlet to your bracket, next you will put on the faceplate. Once you have secured your plate, you will want to test your breaker to make sure everything is wired correctly before plugging in your dryer. Once you check the breaker to make sure everything was alright, you can go ahead and plug in your dryer and then see if it turns on. There you go.